somewhat clean, but you know I can't clean that.
Yeah, just so nice outside.
Oh yes, it's so beautiful. Oh gosh, tonight are you excited for IHOP?
Yeah.
Woohoo! Oh, I'm so excited.
What's that over there?
Oh, what is that?
Oh, it's a nice stuffed animal.
Oh, it's kind of creepy, don't you think?
No, I love it. Can I keep it?
Fine, as long as it stays clean.
Seems pretty clean right now.
I'll disinfect it when I get home.
Okay. Cool.
Pig, I thought I told you to keep this thing off the floor. You're lucky I let you keep this.
Hey, no, I didn't put it on the floor. It was right here.
Okay, just make sure you keep it off the floor.
Okay.
Pig! What? Pig! Really? Oh my gosh. This thing's starting to creep me out.
Hey, I have not touched it. I promise.
Pig! This thing is trouble.
Hey, I think it's cool.
Okay. Just warning you.
Okay.
It's been a long day, you know. Pig should be fine and do most of the cleaning. I guess I'll take a nap. What? What? Oh my gosh. This thing must be haunted. I have to go talk. Pig, wake up. I'm having some major issues. This thing, I fell asleep and this thing was on my face. This thing is creeping me out. We need to do something about it.
Hey, you know, sure, it's a little rough, but there's nothing wrong with that. I mean, come on.
No, we gotta do something about it, but just keep it yourself.
Okay. You know, Alien's just so paranoid. There's no way there's anything wrong with this. I'm just gonna go back to sleep. What? What was this doing in my shirt? Maybe this is haunted. I gotta go talk to Alien. We gotta do something. Alien.
Yes?
Okay.
What's wrong?
I believe you. Okay, it's all true. This thing is haunted.
I told you.
Okay, so I think the only thing we can do to get rid of whatever is making this so creepy is to burn it, okay?
Deal. As long as we clean up.
Okay.
Man, I'm so glad we're getting rid of this thing.
Yeah, it's time to get rid of this once and for all. Wow, it seems like the fire's really speeding up. This is burning a lot faster than normal things.
Man, I'm so happy it's finally out of our lives forever.
Yeah, it's just such a weight off my chest, you know? It's a relief.
Oh gosh, I'm so glad that thing is out of our lives.
I know. It's a good thing it's gone, you know?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Oh.
Wait. No!
Gosh, no!